Years ago, Maryland lawmakers passed Noah's Law, named for a Montgomery County police officer killed by a drunk driver. Now, if you're not familiar with it, it requires an ignition interlock system of convicted drunk drivers, but some say that law does not go far enough.
That's why advocates were back in Annapolis today pushing for a major loophole to be closed. Alex Glaze is in your corner with more.
Safety advocates have been calling for changes to Maryland's drunk driving law, known as Noah's Law, for 6 years. Today, during testimony, the state's attorney for St. Mary's County called drunk driving an epidemic and said this is the year that state legislators can do something to address the issue.
The amount of people that are out there driving impaired that are not being caught is creating a nightmarish problem where they're playing Russian roulette with everybody on the road.
Richard Liotta is the father of fallen Montgomery County police officer Noah Liotta. Noah was on duty working the department's holiday alcohol task force in December of 2015 when he was killed by a drunk driver. A year later, Noah's Law was enacted in Maryland. The law requires a person convicted of alcohol-related driving offenses to have an ignition interlock system installed in their vehicle. However, if an offender is given probation before judgment, they are not required to install the ignition interlock device. Advocates are hoping to close that loophole by passing new legislation.
Any concerns that from this body politic of what is the cost of this tool? This is the cost of not having it. Cost is a human life.
According to Mothers Against Drunk Driving, in 2022, Maryland's ignition interlock program prevented 3,650 attempts to start or operate a vehicle where the driver's blood alcohol concentration was above the legal limit. After 6 years of pleading for legislators to close the loophole in current law, Richard Liotta is hoping this is the year of change.
It would be a blessing if they did that, in the memory of Noah and all the victims of impaired driving.
In Annapolis, Alex Glaze, WJZ.
All right, Alex, thank you.